I was sent this refining enzyme and vitamin C cleanser. It's a powder form, so let's try it. Okay, I have a wet washcloth here with some warm water that was on it. So I'm just gonna get my face nice and damp. I normally use my face cleansers in the shower, so my face is like saturated with water, but for demo purposes, this works great too. Okay, so it has a little push lid here. Okay, so that's how it comes out. If I were to just pop it on my face, yeah, it's gonna be too thick. So you're gonna wanna mix it with a little bit of water. Let me go do that right now. Just a few drops are all you need. In fact, I probably put a little too much water on there, but that's okay. We can always add more of the powder. So it is on, really easy to apply. Doesn't really have too much of a scent or anything like that. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Once your face is clean, you're not gonna feel any sort of powder residue or grittiness. In fact, it just feels nice and clean. And one thing I love about this is that it's so lightweight. So if you are traveling and you pack this, it weighs almost nothing. Again, because it's just the powder form, and then you're gonna add a little water to it. Great cleanser. I love that it has the vitamin C in it to help really brighten your skin, and I'm gonna keep using this one.